Good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach aftermarket update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Tuesday, March 8th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the room we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 opportunities, and we had one trade was called off. The other trade was a winner or a break even. Third trade was a winner or break even, and then the last two were winners. We had a lot of chop up in here. The market opened up down big. First opportunity we had was an RS, and I really kind of wanted this thing to kind of go right away. After this green candle closed at 85, I told everybody 85 quarter, 85.50 gets short. This thing was bouncing around up here, up and down, up and down, up and down, and finally I just decided to call it off because we were going to try to go long. So tick or two loss on that trade. Some people got out at break even, and that was kind of it. It was just called off. Market came back up. We then got long on a power play. I told everybody, since we're going against the trend, I said you can wait to get long at 85.50. Okay, 85.50, or you could take the trade as designed, get long at 87.50, add at 85.50, and then we would get out at break even if need be. I was fully expecting this to potentially pull back, but they don't all pull back. So because this was against the trend and the market was down big and it was very early in the morning, I told everybody you can do either one, your choice. Some people got long at 5.50, made up to a couple points. Some people got in at 7.50, added at 5.50, and you can clearly see here everybody's able to get out of break even. Some people made a tick, whatever. Basically a break even, lost a tick, break even. Wherever they got out, that break even is what we shoot for there, and everybody was able to get out at break even there. Market came up, came back down. We then tried to short an understanding change short, and I said the same thing, but for a different reason. I said, we're down big. We're down quite a bit here. So we either wait for it to come up. We tried to get short at 175. I said either wait for it to come up to 375, short 375, okay, and and you would have made a point on that one, or get long at 175, add at 375, and then we got out at break even. So again, not much money on that. One lot traders had to wait for the pullback, because they couldn't add, and they made a little bit of money there. And one lot traders definitely made money here, or anybody that waited for the pullback. But some people did take break evens on those. And then our two winners, we hit it again at 175 short, and that one worked for 3 points. Almost up to 3 points on that trade, an understanding trade, and the 927 candle, and that was a nice little trade. And then we got long on an S play after this red candle here at 10:15, 1981 quarter. Okay, 19 quarter, and that one worked out for up to 4 points. It did go further, as you see, but I told everybody that not even to let this thing come back, because we had a ZL come in up here, right in this area. So I told everybody either get out up here, lock in your 3-4 points, or take most off, move your stop up to 2 quarter, 3 quarter, lock in a couple points, and if it comes down and takes you out, which it did on this red candle, we were out of the trade. Even if you would have stayed at entry at that point, which you would have had to been after 4 points, you would have been taken out at entry. So I wanted to make sure people locked in profits if they were going to try to stay in for more. And again, it shook us out and came up. So up to 4 points on that trade. Again, even on the runner after it came up here, you should have made a point or two on the last contract, because we were not letting it come back down to entry. And that was it. That was all we did. We tried to do something here. We just kind of ran out of time. We had a power play long, which actually worked out nicely, but it didn't happen until after the room closed. We had closed everything down. So that was the day. We're going to come back and do it again tomorrow, guys. Until then, have a great day.